Welcome to the YouTube channel, Grow Pro Channel.
The Rhine Falls in Switzerland, an essential that could not be missing on our route through the Switzerland series. Switzerland is a mountainous, landlocked country in Central Europe, known for its neutral stance, 4 official languages: German, French, Italian, and Romansh, and high standard of living. What an amazing room for the next week. Let's have a look at the view. Wow, look at the view from my hotel. The mountain is breathtaking. Welcome to Engelberg, which means Mountain of Angels. Engelberg is the place to be for mountain sports enthusiasts and nature lovers who are looking for something special. Here, you can escape everyday life, feel the power of nature, and immerse yourself in a breathtaking mountain world that will satisfy your longing for freedom and adventure. Engelberg has 2 train stations on the Lucerne-Stans-Engelberg line. This is the main station, Engelberg Railway Station. It's the end of the line, and hourly trains connect to the city of Lucerne. The picturesque setting of Engelberg adds to the shopping experience, making it a delightful way to spend a leisurely afternoon while soaking in the local culture and atmosphere. The Rhine Falls, known as Rhine Fall in Switzerland, are the largest waterfalls in Europe. They are a powerful natural wonder. These amazing falls on the high Rhine River. They are located in northern Switzerland, close to the German border. Even with all the powerful water, there's still wildlife around the Rhine Falls. The river and surrounding areas are home to various plants and animals. You might spot different types of birds or fish in the calmer parts of the river. The Rhine Falls are very wide, stretching about 150 meters, 492 feet across. They are also quite tall, dropping 23 meters, 75 feet down. Imagine all this water. Rock Tour. One popular tour takes you right to the middle of the falls. You can climb a staircase to a platform on a rock in the very center of the waterfall. It's an unforgettable experience. These impressive waterfalls were formed a very long time ago. They were created during the last ice age, roughly 14,000 to 17,000 years ago. Basin crossing. Other boats cross the basin below the falls. This gives you a great view of the entire waterfall from the water. Taking a boat trip is a fantastic way to see the falls. Board the Rheinfall Express as a shuttle from the car park Bergunwiese at Neuhausen to the Rhine Falls. To get close to the Rhine Falls, purchase an entrance ticket for the southern side at the Laufen Castle Visitor Center, which cost 5 Swiss francs per person for access to viewing platforms and the Historama, and provides a different ticket for boat tours at the northern bank. The Rhine Falls themselves are freely accessible year-round, but the best views and closer access to the waterfall are on the ticketed southern bank at Schloss Laufen. On the north side, there's Worth Castle. This smaller castle is on an island in the river. It was once a customs house where goods were checked. A visit to the Rhine Falls leaves a strong impression, with the combination of the powerful waterfall, the grand setting, and the surrounding historic castles, creating a memorable experience that visitors reflect on as they depart. I hope you enjoyed the visit to the Rhine Falls. It's getting late standing here soaking in the views. Why not subscribe? And until next time, live life like a traveler. Next time on the Switzerland series, we visit Lucerne, famous for the oldest wooden bridge. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Hit the notification button. See you on the journey.